Have you heard about the YouTube channel World's Myths? This channel creates AI Egyptian parameter videos using powerful tools and smart strategies. And guess what? Their videos are pulling in millions of views. This niche is still fresh, and there's huge potential waiting for you. If you're here, congratulations, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create viral AI videos, how to build a successful channel in this trending AI niche, and how you can start earning thousands of dollars doing that. The channel World's Myths is just 2 months old, yet it's already racking up millions of views and gaining thousands of subscribers. Every video they upload instantly grabs attention, with millions of views and thousands of likes flooding in. This trend is exploding, and you're not late to join. Imagine this: a video with eerie background music, AI-generated photos turned into animations, and an overall cinematic experience. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to create videos like these. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in and unlock the secret to creating viral AI videos. Before we start today's video, let me introduce you to an amazing AI tool called Nexus Clip, a must-have for every content creator who wants to grow their channel fast. Nexus Clip is an AI-powered video editing tool designed to transform your long YouTube videos into multiple short, engaging clips effortlessly and automatically. If you've ever struggled with repurposing your long content into short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this tool solves that problem instantly. Using Nexus Clip is incredibly simple. First, you just need to connect your YouTube channel to the tool. Once connected, you can upload your long-form videos directly into Nexus Clip. The AI will then analyze your content, identify the most interesting and engaging moments, and turn them into multiple short clips. But it doesn't stop there. Nexus Clip also adds automatic subtitles, catchy background music, and even creates attention-grabbing hooks. By the time the AI finishes, your clips will look polished, professional, and ready to grab attention. The best part? Nexus Clip allows you to instantly export and upload your edited clips directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and with just one click. This means you can effortlessly reach a massive audience across different platforms without spending hours editing each clip manually. You'll find the link to Nexus Clip in the description below. Make sure to check it out and supercharge your content creation process. So let's begin the video. To create this AI parameter video, the first tool we'll use is ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter the specific prompt I've provided. You'll find the link to the prompt in the description below. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed prompt that we'll use to create AI images. But here's the trick. ChatGPT might initially give you just a few prompts. Do not stop there. Enter 10 more variations of the prompt, tweak them if needed, and click the Generate button each time. The more refined prompts you have, the better your results will be. If it takes a little time, don't worry. That's normal. ChatGPT is processing your request to deliver the best possible output. Once ChatGPT has prepared your final set of prompts, we'll move on to the next crucial step: image generation. This step is absolutely essential because the quality of your images will define how engaging and visually stunning your video turns out to be. For this, I recommend using Leonardo AI. Here's how you can do it. First, head over to the Leonardo AI website and sign up or log in. Once you're logged in, click on the Image Generate section. Now, paste the prompt you received from ChatGPT into the prompt box. On the right side, you'll see the settings options. Select 9:16 for the aspect ratio, then hit the Generate button. After a few moments, your image will be ready. But here's the catch. Sometimes the first image you get may not look as polished as you want. I've gone through this too. I generated 4 images, and while one was decent, the others didn't meet my expectations. So I quickly copied the prompt from ChatGPT, pasted it again, and generated new images. Even though the results weren't perfect at first, keep refining the prompts until you get the right image. Don't get discouraged if the first round of images isn't perfect. Keep trying, and soon enough, you'll have the perfect images ready for animation. Now, let me recommend the second AI tool that will take your images to the next level: Ideogram.ai. This tool is perfect for refining your AI-generated images. Here's how you can use it. First, visit the Ideogram.ai website. Once you're there, click on the Image Generated option. Then, paste the prompt you received from ChatGPT into the prompt box. After that, select the Real Stick option. Choose the 9:16 ratio and click on the Generate. This AI tool can take some time to generate your images, but the result will be worth it. You'll get incredible realistic images that are perfect for your project. While Ideogram.ai is working on your images, go back to Leonardo AI and download the best images you've generated so far. By the time that's done, your ideogram images will be ready too. Once you have both sets of images, the good ones from Leonardo AI and the high-quality ones from ideogram.ai, you're all set for the next step. Now, let's move to the next tool you'll need. Hello AI, go to the website, sign up, and log in. After logging in, you'll see a simple interface. Here, click on the Create button to start the video making process. First, click on the Create button. Then, upload the images you've downloaded from Ideogram AI. After that, paste the same prompt you used to generate those images into the prompt box. Once that's done, click on the Create button and watch as your animation video comes to life. You'll need to repeat this process for all of your images. For each image, paste the same prompt you used earlier and click Generate. Your images will be converted into video clips, and the animation will be ready in no time. Now the next step is to combine all your videos and edit them. For that, we're going to use a video editing app called CapCut. Before you start editing, download some scary background music to make your video even more realistic and engaging. You can find some great music on YouTube. Just search for scary music and pick the one that fits your vibe. Once you've got the music, download it and save the video you created. Open CapCut, and now you're ready to start editing. This includes the ones you've downloaded from YouTube as well. Once you've added the images to the project, right-click on the video to extract the audio, and then delete the video itself, step by step, by adding the content you've downloaded from Helio AI. You may notice that the audio is a bit low and the video is too long. To fix this, you can trim the video and keep only the most engaging parts. If you want to adjust the audio, simply right-click to copy the music and press Ctrl-V to paste it. This will stretch the music to match the length of your video. Now your video will have the perfect balance of visuals and sound. Once you've added all your video clips and music, it's time to enhance it further. You can add transitions or effects to make the video even more engaging. On the right side of CapCut, you'll see options for effects, transitions, and many other animations. Feel free to apply any of these to enhance your video's appeal. Once you're happy with the video, click the Export button to save it to your device. Now let's preview the final result. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The links to all the AI tools and prompts will be in the description.